Welcome to today's video, and today I will be going over creating files and directories in Linux. So, how to create files? The first command that we'll be using is the touch command. And the touch command creates a file that is in an empty file. The next command is cp. And this is the second way to create a file, and this command copies an existing file and creates a new file at that destination location. Next, the vi command. And this, whenever you type in the vi command, it will take you to an editor. But I will cover, since this topic is requires another video, the vi command requires another video, I will go over it in more detail in a future video. But just know that the vi command, we type in vi, the file name that you want it to have, it will create a file. Now for creating directories, it's very simple. Just type in the command make mk dir and the directory name that you want it to have. So make directory, say for instance, Spider-Man. That will create the directory Spider-Man. Now let's go to our Linux machine, and here we're in our terminal. Now the first thing you want to do whenever you spin up your Linux machine is to see who are you. Are you root? Are you another user? Are you the user that the target user that you want it to be? So type in the command who am I? And it'll display the user. So I'm JMaxShan, and this is where I want to be. The next command you want to type in is pwd, the print working directory. Now I went over these commands with you last video, but I was going to give you a quick refresher. So type in the command pwd to see which directory you're in. So p print working directory. So I'm in the /home/JMaxShan home directory. So I'm in the home directory. Now I want to list all the files, directories, and all the files, directories, and folders of this home directory. So I type in the command ls-l, and it'll list all the directories, all the files of this home directory. And right here, you see JMaxShan. These are the owner and the group owner, But I'll go over this with you in a later video. So you see, in our Linux machine, the blue stands for it's a directory, and the regular color text are for files. Now we're going to type in the touch command and our file name that we want it to have, because this is the first way we're going to create a file. Type in touch. We have Superman. Let's make it Iron Man. Let's make a file called Iron Man. So we type in touch Iron Man. Now when we click enter, when we press enter, if we do not receive an error message, that means the command went through. If we do, we did something wrong. So let's test it out. Typing enter, the command went through. So that means that it should show the new file Iron Man whenever we type in command ls-l. So let's see. And yes, it does show the file Iron Man. Now say for instance I made 40-50 files and I have over 100 files in my directory, and I just want to see the files that I just created like a day or two ago. Well, you can type in the command ls-ltr, and it'll display the files that have been recently created at the bottom. So ls-ltr, and it'll show Iron Man. So you can see the dates: March 30th to April 4th, April 6th to April 9th to April 10th. And the next command I will be going over is the copy command. So cp copy, type in the command Iron Man, and I want the new file to be named Spider-Man. So the command went through. Should be it should be shown whenever we type in our ls-ltr command. So we're gonna list all the files and directories, and it shows Iron Man. We did have Iron Man last time. We typed in the command, and now it shows Spider-Man. So it went through. Great. Next command we're gonna type in is the vi command. So vi, and let's make it we do have Superman, right? Superman, Iron Man, Spider-Man. What's another superhero? Hulk. Let's make it Hulk. Vi Hulk. So it should show us. Actually, it should just press enter, and we'll be able to type in ls-ltr. So let's see if that happens. No, it took us somewhere else, and where we are is in the editor. I will go over this with you in future videos, so don't worry. So to get out of here, because we can't really, I'm typing it, you can't really do anything. So to get out of here, you just type in semicolon W Q exclamation mark. Oh, I'm in caps lock, sorry. W Q exclamation mark. And now I'm back to my home directory. Now I'm typing ls minus ltr to see if this file has been created. And it shows that this file has been created. So we have Iron Man, newly created file, Spider-Man, and Hulk. And we know it's a file because we can look over here. The slash, that means it's a file. The D means directory. Now we want to make a directory. How do we make a directory? We type the new command, make directory. And let's say, for instance, we want this directory to be a villain. So let's make this directory called Thanos. I'm pretty sure you guys have watched Avengers in the game. So make directory Thanos. Command went through, we didn't get an error message. So that means whenever we're typing command ls minus ltr, we should see Thanos right underneath Hulk. And we do. And it's blue, so that means it's a directory. And we can check over here to see if it's a D right here. And it's a dirt, and it shows that it's a directory. So awesome. So today I just went over four basic commands: the touch command. This command creates a file that is a empty file. The copy command, and this command copies an existing file, like I copy an existing file, and that existing file is Iron Man, and I type in a new file name that I wanted to have, Spider-Man. And VBI. And remember, when I typed in VBI command and the file name that I wanted to have, it took me to another location. And that location was VBI editor. And I will cover this command with you in future videos. Now, creating the directories is the easiest. It's only one way. And typing the command make mkdir and the directory name you wanted to have. That's pretty much the topic: creating files and directories. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again next video. Bye bye.